Hello! In this video, we'll be going through how to make your Unity UI menu gamepad compatible. We'll be using Unity's new input system and the Metroidvania series for this tutorial. If you're using the old input manager, we've got another video specifically for that. The link is in the description below. If you're not sure which input system you're using, under your scene, select the event system, and if you see a component called the input system UI input module, that means you're using the new input system. If you see a component called the standalone input module, that means you're using the old input manager. First, I'm going to show you how to convert your Unity project from the old input system to the new one and make your UI menu fully gamepad compatible. First, go to Edit, Project Settings, then head to Player. Then scroll down to Active Input Handling. By default, it's usually set to Input Manager or both, and you can change it to the new input system. And Unity will ask to be restarted. Select Apply and let it restart your editor. Now, let's install the new input system package. After Unity reopens, open the Package Manager from the top menu. Go to Window, then select Package Manager. Then switch to Unity Registry and search for Input System. Select it and click Install. And once it's done, you now have the new input system installed in your project. Now, let's create the input actions asset. Go to Edit, Project Settings, and then you should see Input System Package. Under it, click on Create and assign a default project-wide action asset. And this automatically generates an input map with all the basic UI navigation bindings. So under Input Actions, you'll see a UI action map with things like Navigate, Submit, and Cancel. Navigate is what lets your joystick or arrow keys move through your UI buttons. So we have your joystick controls here, and under keyboard we have your WASD and arrow keys. By default, these are already mapped out, so you don't need to manually add this unless you want to customize your controls. Now, go back to your scene and select the event system game object. If you are still using the old input module, Unity will prompt asking if you want to replace the standalone input module with the input system UI input module. Click Replace. And this lets Unity's UI respond to the new input system events. Lastly, make sure your event system has a first selected object assigned. This should be your first button in your menu, for example, your Start Game or Play button. Without this, your gamepad navigation won't know where to start, and the gamepad or joystick won't move through the buttons properly. So if I click Play, I'm able to move and select buttons from the gamepad. And that's it! Your Unity UI menu should now be fully gamepad compatible using the new input system. Thanks for watching!